Hi, I'm Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing Air. Rainforest has been serving the Phoenix Valley for over 25 years, and if you're thinking about upgrading to an energy-efficient air conditioner, this video is for you. We know how brutal summers in the desert can be, and we also know that upgrading your AC can feel out of reach financially. But there are some awesome ways to save if you know where to look. And one of those places to look is at Rainforest Plumbing and Air. So let's talk about financing and rebates that make energy-efficient cooling way more affordable. Energy-efficient AC units use less power, which means lower utility bills and fewer breakdowns. In a lot of cases, the savings on your utility bill will actually be greater than the cost to finance a new system, so you end up saving money on your monthly budget. Plus, these new units are better for the environment, and they keep your home cooler for longer. When you're interested in a new air conditioner, Rainforest will send out a trained technician to evaluate your current system and your home's cooling needs, making sure that everything meets the latest EPA guidelines. We offer flexible payment plans and financing options that work with almost any budget. Plus, our upfront guarantee means there are no surprise costs. And here's where it gets even better. You could qualify for rebates of up to $1,125 through SRP, plus incentives from the Inflation Reduction Act, if your system meets the right standards. Once your new system is installed, regular maintenance helps you keep those savings going. We handle everything from coil cleaning to airflow checks, and our Cabana Club gives you even more perks like waived fees and priority service. So if you're ready to beat the heat without breaking the bank, give us a call or visit askrain.com to schedule your estimate today. We'll help you every step of the way. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.